could decide the health measures taken for their children. That's why I signed an executive order that allows parents to opt out of mask mandates in schools.
Governor Youngkin's Executive Order number 2 is set to take effect Monday. On Friday, new interim guidance for COVID-19 prevention in Virginia pre-K through 12 schools came out. Delegate Jeff Bourne thinks that's backwards. He says perhaps guidance should have been issued before an executive order.
I think it was a rush to judgment, and I think he was playing to a political base and to a political issue so he could check a box from his campaign.
It was 1 week ago Youngkin signed the order, and Bourne says a week from signing to enforcement has put a squeeze on schools, school boards, and families across the state.
This is just another example of how much confusion, chaos, and consternation that he has caused the very people that he suggests he wants to help, which are the parents.
In the document, the state departments of health and education say there are many ways to prevent the spread of COVID-19 outside of masks and distancing. The only time masks are mentioned are at the beginning of the document as a prevention strategy for parents, not school officials or staff. And then again at the end as the last of 9 recommended preventive actions listing the potential benefits of masking and drawbacks. The document says parents should consult with their medical providers if they have questions about whether or not their child should mask and for how long, especially if children are at risk for severe illness from COVID or live with someone who is.
This is a matter of individual liberty.
But Bourne says it's a matter of looking out for your neighbor.
We have to recognize that we have a higher calling as good people, right? And the masks have always been about not protecting myself to the greatest extent, but it's really protecting others.
Well, the Virginia Education Association has come out saying they oppose the governor's order. We can also tell you that the Richmond, Henrico, and Chesterfield Education Associations are set to hold a joint news conference Monday discussing COVID concerns.